In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix microphone not working on Discord. If people can't hear you or your mic seems dead in voice channels, this quick walkthrough will help you confirm Discord is listening to the right device and that your audio is actually coming through. Start by opening Discord on your computer. Look to the bottom left corner of the app. Next to your avatar, there's a small gear icon labeled User Settings. Click that to open your settings. This is where Discord keeps all the controls for your audio, so you won't have to dig through your operating system to get basic voice features working. Inside User Settings, scroll a bit and find the Voice and Video section under App Settings. Click it. This page is the command center for your mic and speakers in Discord. At the top, you'll see your input and output options, along with a live level meter that reacts when Discord detects sound from your microphone. That real-time feedback is helpful while you troubleshoot. Before changing anything, use the built-in mic test. Look for the area that says mic test and click Let's Check. Speak in a normal voice. If everything is set up correctly, Discord will record a short snippet and play your voice back to you. You should also see the input level bar light up as you talk. If you don't hear yourself or the bar isn't moving, don't worry. It usually means Discord is listening to the wrong device, which we'll correct next. Now, go to the input device drop-down near the top of the page. Click it and choose the exact microphone or headset you're using. Pick the specific device by name rather than leaving it on default. For example, if you're on a USB microphone, select that model. If you're on a headset, choose the headset's mic entry. Some devices may appear more than once. If you're using Bluetooth, look for the entry that indicates it's the microphone version, not just the stereo output. Choosing the precise device eliminates confusion when your computer has multiple audio inputs connected. Once you've selected the correct input, run Let's Check again. Speak clearly and watch the input meter. Hearing your own voice in the playback and seeing that meter react means Discord can now capture your audio. At this point, your microphone should work properly in calls and voice channels. If you ever switch microphones or plug in a new headset, revisit this same voice and video page and confirm the right input device is selected. That's all it takes to get your mic working reliably in Discord.